Look at this mess back here. As soon as I get it cleaned up, it's a mess again. Would you believe that we are doing renovations once more? Yeah, Bob's rethought the cabinets, and originally they were up here. He's removed the panel over here, where the bench, then cushion fits snugly, and he's going to build deeper drawers for us, and then we'll have like a small buffet on top. As you know, that's one of the things we miss so much from the Eagle Cap. So that's the plan. He is currently at Home Depot, and he's getting the materials he needs. He's going to incorporate what he took off the wall from the bench into the drawers to make them more aesthetically pleasing, and so that it matches the camper better. This is a pecan stain, so we're going to try and match it the best we can. First, Bob begins to build the frame. And now for a test fit to give it a better look.
So this, in order to clean the top up,
How's it coming?
it's coming good.
Now he works on the drawers. This buffet will have 2 large drawers. So that's a 6-inch drawer?
Yes.
Nice.
And I have to get more of these. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought I had, the drawer was half that size.
Oh.
Is what I thought. But it's, you know, a 21-inch wide drawer is pretty nice.
Yeah.
So I'll get 1 drawer done today, and tomorrow, well, once I get this 6 on there, then we'll decide what we got to do. There's a nice little pocket hole. Door upper. It's nice for when we're traveling, that's for sure. And we decide to try to get the camper the way our other camper was, right?
Mm-hmm. Bob had the stain color matched so that it matched more closely to the pecan that they have in here. I just have to put it on lightly so it shows the wood grain. Bob's at her, building away. He made his run to get wood today. He bought some oak for the drawer faces, and now he's busy building her. Gonna sit right over here. I keep checking on Bob from inside the camper because it's only merely 48 degrees. And when Bob first started today, yeah, it was barely 40. Let's see where he is now. It's coming along. It looks like she's done. Bob's completed her. He just went out to get drawer fronts, and then she'll be ready to install. I'm excited. We have great plans for this. It is just so cold out there for me, so I'm doing some more window filming. Bob's doing the drawer fronts now. It's looking amazing. Yeah. Still only 49 degrees. And now to paint the drawers. We're just painting the sides and the drawer front. She's going in place. She is in, stained, and she is beautiful. Look at this. Look at all that room. Amazing. Bob outdid himself. Absolutely gorgeous. I did try another color match because the first color match really wasn't dark enough. It only picked up the lighter tones in the wood. And then Bob tried again, but because the equipment that color matches is so specific, it pinpoints directly on the color, and there's so much wood grain in this. We brought a piece of this with us to color match with, so we were looking for a more brown, but it pulled in the reds. It's more of a reddish stain, but we like it enough. It's in the same general color family. I mean, nothing's perfect here. It depends on the type of wood you have. So this is oak. I'm not sure what kind of wood this is or that, so it takes the stain differently, but we're quite pleased with it. I did like the earlier version, but it was just a little too light. So since Bob did the drawers, he went ahead and redid our steps for our chairs. New wood, he's lined them up better. We don't have that gap in the middle anymore. Over here where the cabinets were removed, there was a blank space here. Sorry, we just arrived at our next camp spot for the night. So anyway, I cushioned this and fabriced it to cover that up. And then we put our wine on top. So this drawer still goes all the way back to the back for me. And we did a new drawer front for this as well, so everything matches. They are so much better than before. We had all of those cabinets there. So you have to admit, not too bad. Looks much better than before. Sharp. And we have a coffee bar. Yes. And a standing desk. I can work right here. Sweet. So this is for our supplements and computer gear. And down there are tools, stowaways, that kind of thing. Very nice. We still have lots of room to eat, even with the buffet there. Well, this episode was short and sweet. Thank you for joining us. Join us again next week as we discuss moisture buildup and mold in our Host Cascade and what we do about it. And as always, thank you for watching. God bless and have a great day.